Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today's a quick tech tip. I'm going to show you guys how to get your sticky steering wheel or plastic parts in your car taken care of. It's really easy. Let's not waste any time and get right to it. All right guys, so if you guys are following my channel, I picked up this truck cheap at an auction and the steering wheel is sticky. It's almost like it has a goo on it. Okay, this has been sitting a long time. Now let me show you what you need. You need some OxiClean. Get some of the OxiClean laundry detergent. Put it in some water here, mix it up, and use that. It's got certain stuff in it that gets rid of that. If you look at the top right here, I've already done that. It's not sticky anymore. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. Now, I've already cleaned this a bunch of times, but just from wiping that top, look how much of the stuff it got off using this microfiber. Okay, so a lot of stuff is still going to come off. That's not the color. Color's still fine, but you can see the difference where it's smooth here and you see it's shiny, kind of sticky. So I'm going to wipe the rest of this off right here, get this taken care of because this drives me crazy. Guys, and just keep doing it until your rag gets clean. So this is where I started here, all right, and this is where I'm at now. So rag's starting to come out clean. I'll do it a little bit more, let it dry off. Now let me show you guys what's in the OxiClean that's going to do this. Straight out of the laundry room, guys. Yep, it's that sodium carbonate right there that does it, and that's what removes that gooey residue that's on the steering wheel. All right, so it feels all clean and new again. Looks good. So that's it, guys. It is looking nice again, like new. And there's your tech tip. Sodium carbonate. That's what you need to get this off. Now, I guess you can find it in other ways. I'm not sure. But I know that the OxiClean has it. So this is back to new now. So we are good to go, guys. That sticky stuff, if that's driving you crazy like it did me, go ahead and get some OxiClean. I put about a half a scoop in a mason jar and some warm water. That's how I mixed it up. And it was good. And now everything's back to normal. I had some on here too. Did that as well. Looking good. All right, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair. Like new.